Okay, I will just live 1 year less because of this. Giving me a little heart attack, actually 2 little heart attacks. But Stefan Racarano is safe.
White, he was 4th, Great Britain, the Black Rider.
Racing team, jump, mini jump, jump, jump. 203.
Peter Wagner from Germany for Modeling House Racing Team. .103, Cornel Ott, last year's winner. Cornel Ott, the young for Turkey Cornel Ott rides for the Romanian team, Beta Romania Nordica Moto. 107, Sandra Gomez Cantara, your first lady in this class for the AG Racing team of Alfredo Gomez. On her Beta, Robert Markus, Hungary for Detroit's Hard Enduro. Passionate guys. Here we go, Robbie. In this class, fresh on the X-Trip Racing team, fresh on Sergio Greco di Romania, motoclubul din Deva, tânărul Render din Deva, oi oi! 119 Mark Australia on its gas. 123 Marius Popovic Akim! Let's see who's up next, 126 Sebastian Hecht. Tomushkuka, Team Moto Roots from Germany. Juan Camilo Gomez with the jump. 134, 137, Barry Walker of Great Britain. The 137, Jorge Hazuri with the 1-footer. Well, let's see who's up next. 139. 142, David Igna. Canico. Okay, let's see if the track is clear, everybody. Come Dominic Anna. We'll see something special with, and that's the way to pay a tribute. Congratulations, and that's all to you guys. Much love for the Kiwis. 150 on the shot.
Oh, you guys got them.
Okay, Thomas.
Pioneering it this year, and we're sure many more riders to.
Fire, Mexico. 187. Bill Atwill, World Cup mountain bike rider, super stylish, super skilled business. Bill Atwill, go Bill!
Okay, and we move to the silver department because
for the local hero, Konas Kovac, 197. Oi, oi! Sketchy 193, the back go for Jose Maria Famini,
and 209 Newport Lion Hearts. Riding for Revolution. Evolution Bikes Meta Guatemala. And 824, David Cordero from El Salvador for Team Los Billonarios. Hey, some billionaires right here. Okay. Corne Mako just finished. Also Greg Simon. Yadir, I'm so disappointed you don't have a sombrero. Keeping up with the cliches. 833. Next one up, Jose Carlos Rodriguez Stivalet. 798. Uwe Weber from Germany for MS5. 828. Wayne Hara. 834. Thomas Hofses. The Halloween Fanatics. Roland from Austria jumping high into the bath in the back. Team, I do video. Matias Jovic, 859. Nicolai Robertino din Romania. Timon Brijan from Austria. Some applause for from the USA, rather, for Smith Brothers Enduro Winsight Development. Hector Troncoso from Mexico in 437. Hilton Van Rooyen, and now 436. Emil Stefona Sport, 444. Careful there. Number 154. Thijs van der Goot from the Netherlands. Paul Mackay. Mr. Bertel. And 102, the one, the only, the unique, Emmanuel Guerre. 727, Mario Scholten from the Netherlands, riding for Mama Telecom, Feature Waves. Healthy jump. One nose heavy one. Please be careful. Costa from Brazil. Team
aqui, caralho. Não atualizou ainda, não atualizou.
And number 200.
Gol, Gui! Gol, Gui! Gol, Gui!
Same, okay.
Here.